Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this 3D cloud on this painting. I hope you enjoy, so stay tuned. The colors I'm using are Prussian blue, cadmium yellow light, and titanium white. First, I painted the wood with acrylic white paint. For this video, I'm going to be using oil paints. You can use acrylic if you want, that's completely up to you. Also, I'm using liquid original to speed up the drying time. So I started with the blue and then I'm going to be adding the yellow to get a bluish green sky. I don't know why I put the pink. I really don't like it, so I'm gonna be covering it up. But if you like it, you can keep it and you can put any color you want. This is your painting, so yeah. I'm using a makeup brush. Try to use a flat brush and just blend. Do not put pressure, do it lightly because it'll be a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you like the way I blend it. I'm adding more yellow because I want the sky to look more green than blue, so yeah. So this is how it looks. I love this color. I have to let it dry for 24 hours because I'm using oil paintings, but if you're using acrylic, you don't have to worry about this part. For the cloud, you will need modeling paste. I'm using Liquitex and this video is not sponsored. Also, you will need different palette knives and a paint stick. It is up to you how much modeling paste you want to use for the clouds, but I personally recommend to use just enough for the painting to look 3D, because if you put too much, it's going to take longer to dry. Also, if you're using oils like me, please make sure the painting is completely dry. I'm using the paint stick because it's easier to give the cloud form, and try to make it a tiny bit flat so it dries fast. Now I'm taking what is left on the painting stick so I can make small clouds. You can put the clouds anywhere you want, and you can give them any form you want. This is how it looks. It looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours to make sure it's dry. To paint the clouds, I'm using alizarin crimson, Prussian blue, and titanium white. I mixed the crimson with white to make a light pink, and then I added blue to make purple. In this part, be careful not to paint the sky pink. I put a tiny bit of pink on the brush to blend the colors. And this is how it looks so far. And then you can keep blending until you're happy with the final results. Now I'm gonna let this dry for 24 hours. So this is the final results. I love the color, I love the blending. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe and follow me on my social media. Also, I will appreciate the feedback. Thank you for watching.